All right, so when you get your machine, we're going to show you real quick how to set it up. Super simple. It has a couple of safety connections on the back. It has the clamp that goes on the drum. It has this line that connects to this strap, which will go around whatever conduit so you can ground the machine to prevent sparking. All right. So once you have that set up, then we need our supply line. You put whatever adapter you can for your air line. You need 110 pounds to run this machine. So your air supply, you have a little filter tube. As far as bringing the product into the machine from the barrel, here's your connection here. When you get a machine, it comes with this supply tube. Supply tube goes on this end here. When you have your pickup tube for the drum, the other end goes here. So you have one end on the pickup tube, one end on the machine. Your pickup tube goes right down into the drum, screws right in. Now you have the machine ready to pick up product out of the drum. When you have your can ready, every machine comes with a depressurizing button. Before you fill the can, you have to depressurize it so it can accept new product. So depressurize, go on, push down, fills 4 to 7 seconds. If you need additional air, right here. It's that easy.